we've got a great stack of sources you sent in, focused on powerful software tools that are totally free and, importantly, open source.
Yeah.
Our mission here is pretty simple. Give you a shortcut to a smoother digital life. No dense tech talk, just, high-impact stuff for everyday use.
Okay, great framing. Let's unpack the stack then. First up, software that installs but then leaves behind all this. Digital residue, hidden files, junk settings, stuff that slows your machine down over time.
Precisely. So the first tool is perfectly named Bulk Crap Uninstaller. Let's just call it BCU. Tells you what it does.
It really does. And its main value, especially if you're not super technical, is just speed, raw speed. Instead of clicking next, finish 20 times for 20 programs, BCU lets you tick boxes next to everything you want gone. Then one click, and it automates the whole uninstallation process, safely too.
Okay, that alone sounds like a massive time saver. But what about the hidden stuff? The digital barnacles I mentioned, does BCU actually deep clean or just do the basic uninstall?
Oh, it absolutely goes deeper. That's key.
So?
Once the main program is removed, BCU specifically scans for those leftover files, the registry junk, all that residue.
Oh, good.
And importantly, it has a force uninstall option for those really stubborn programs that just refuse to leave nicely.
Right, the zombie software.
Exactly. Plus, it gives you easy control over your startup programs, deciding what loads when you boot up, which can shave serious time off your startup. Next big pain point, information overload. It feels like everything's scattered, right? Blogs here, newsletters there, Twitter videos. It's just fragmented. Leads to missing important stuff or just feeling overwhelmed.
Yeah.
Which brings us to Follow. It's basically a modern take on an information aggregator built to fight that exact feeling. Follow pulls content from, I think it's over 5,000 different sites now, puts it all into one single, clean, focused timeline. And crucially, no ads, just the content.
Okay, that sounds useful. But the real aha moment for me of thinking about busy learners like you listening was Follow's AI assistant. It gives you automatic summaries of long articles, like really accurate ones, cuts right to the chase.
Yeah, that's huge for efficiency. Skim the summary first. Decide if you need the deep dive. It doesn't stop there. If you hit content in another language, Follow offers real-time translation right within the app, so you get the insights without the hassle of copy-pasting into a translator or trying to decipher it yourself.
Super useful. Okay, let's shift gears completely. Input and privacy. Imagine needing to type something out, maybe something sensitive, but without using your keyboard. And doing it completely offline.
That's where Handy comes in. Its unique selling points are really simplicity and that offline privacy angle. It's a voice typist, yes, but it works entirely on your computer. Meaning your voice data, the audio, never leaves your machine. It's not sent to the cloud, not processed online. Absolute privacy guarantee, which is, vital if you're dealing with confidential info.
Okay, so how does that play out in real life? What's the use case?
Well, it's great for anyone who maybe isn't the fastest typist, or if you need to capture thoughts quickly while your hands are busy. Think brainstorming, drafting emails, maybe even documenting something physically while you're doing it.
Right.
You just set a hotkey like a keyboard shortcut. Press and hold it, speak your text, let go, and boom, the text appears wherever your cursor is.
Oh.
Simple as that.
Very cool. Okay, last area, notes. For note-taking, sometimes less is more, right? Definitely. Simplicity, reliability, speed. That's where Simple Note shines. It's free. It syncs across basically everything: Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile, and it's truly minimalist, no clutter.
But simple here doesn't mean basic. It has some really smart efficiency features baked in, like instant search across all your notes, tags for organizing, and my personal favorite feature, the version history slider. Made a mistake. Deleted something crucial. You just drag a slider back in time. It's like a time machine for your notes. Yeah, that history feature is a lifesaver. And the sharing is pretty flexible too. You can create a public read-only link, maybe, for sharing quick info or an announcement. Or you can invite other Simple Note users to the note, and they can actually edit it with you in real time. Great for like shared shopping lists, meeting minutes, quick collaboration.
Okay, perfect.
So wrapping this up, I think the big takeaway from this deep dive is pretty clear. Often, the most genuinely useful software, the stuff that makes a real difference, is free, it's focused, and it's transparently made open source. Tools like BCU, Follow, Handy, Simple Note. They put you back in the driver's seat. You control your data. You shape your workflow. It's not dictated to you.
Well said. We covered cleaning up your system, managing information overload, private voice input, and simple, effective notes. But, what about just focus, blocking out the noise? So a final thought for you to explore, check out Moodist. It's a free web tool, offers something like 75 different ambient sounds, coffee shop buzz, rain, that kind of thing. You can mix them, set timers, basically build your own custom soundscape for deep work. Definitely worth a look. And that's all the time we have for this deep dive.